This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to generate oxygen gas using a straightforward chemical reaction. We'll explore the fundamental principles behind this process, allowing you to understand how oxygen is released from common substances. You'll learn about the accessible materials required, and most importantly, how to perform this experiment safely at home. This method offers a practical way to observe oxygen production firsthand, providing valuable insight into basic chemistry. To begin, you'll need a few readily available items. First, secure a bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide, commonly found in drugstores. Next, you'll require a small packet of active dry yeast, which acts as our crucial catalyst. For your reaction vessel, a clean, clear plastic bottle or an Erlenmeyer flask works perfectly. Finally, have a balloon or a small collection bag ready to capture the oxygen gas produced during the experiment. Let's walk through the simple steps. First, carefully pour approximately 100 milliliters of the 3% hydrogen peroxide solution into your clean bottle. In a separate small container, mix about 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast with a few milliliters of warm water to activate it. Now, add this activated yeast mixture to the hydrogen peroxide in the bottle. Immediately and securely, attach the balloon over the bottle's opening to collect the gas as it forms. Safety is paramount when conducting any home experiment. Always ensure you are in a well-ventilated space to allow for proper air circulation. It's highly recommended to wear safety goggles to shield your eyes from any potential splashes. Remember that hydrogen peroxide can cause mild skin irritation, so handle it carefully. While this method produces oxygen gas, it is important to understand that it is not medical-grade oxygen and should never be used for therapeutic purposes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.